In order to understand the meta-narrative of the Bible, we need to recognize that there are 6 acts or movements of God. They are, the first one, creation, when God and man were in relationship with God. The second one is the fall, when sin separated man from God. The third one is the promise, when God told Abraham he would redeem all nations through his descendants. The fourth act is when God restores all things through his Son and anyone who believes in him. The fifth act is when the church grows and we're to spread the good news of Jesus. And the sixth act is when Jesus will return to defeat evil. It's important to be in the Word, to be with Jesus so we can be transformed. Shalom, y'all.